This 2025 Grand Design Imagine 2470BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features a Brynlee Teak interior, sleeps 8, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, TV, Slideout, Skylight, air conditioning, awning, external shower, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Imagine 2470BH is 6,566 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.